We've got self-rising flour. We need 2 cups. There's our 1 cup. One more. 2 cups of self-rising flour. We're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. Just granulated sugar. Gonna mix these 2 together. Once you got them mixed up good, you're gonna add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 can of pineapple. We've got pineapple slices. Do not drain it. Dump the whole pineapple, everything in there.
Looks like you cut it up a little bit.
We did cut it up a little bit. And then we're gonna take 2 eggs, kind of mix them up, and throw them in with your wet ingredients.
Awesome.
We're gonna mix all this together.
It's gonna be good.
Oh yeah, can't go wrong with pineapple. Okay, we've got it all mixed up, so now we wanna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And a lot of times I just do like this. Okay, and then we're going to pour it in our 9x13 cake pan. Bake it for 30 minutes at 350. We're gonna make an icing for it.
This is called a do-nothing cake.
Get it all in there. Now we're gonna take it to the oven.
How long we putting it in there?
30 minutes at 350.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna make the frosting. You have 2 sticks of butter. Let that melt. And then we'll add a cup of sugar and 2/3 cup evaporated milk. Okay, now that our butter is melted, or almost melted, we're gonna add in our cup of sugar and our 2/3 cup evaporated milk. We're gonna let this boil for 5 minutes. It'll thicken up.
Getting nice and boiled.
Yep, 5 minutes like this. Keep stirring though. Okay, we've had it boiling for 5 minutes. Now we want to add 1 cup of coconut. That's half.
That's half. Okay.
Yeah, now 1 cup. Now we'll stir that in there and remove it from the heat. You're gonna pour this when you get your cake out of the oven. We're gonna pour it over the hot cake. Hey,
Ooh.
our do-nothing cake looks pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Good
That looks
moist.
awesome.
Okay, now you're going to take your topping that you made with the coconut and all the sugar and everything, and you're gonna pour it over the cake while it's warm.
Mmm. Gonna be so good.
Oh, that will be. Okay, I'm gonna have me a little corner here. Don't need too much of it.
Looks good and
Oh,
moist.
that does. Got me a piece of pineapple too.
Mm-hmm.
This is the kind of cake you need to kind of eat warm. Nope, I'm gonna have to wait a minute. On the pineapple. It's good. I would give that 9.5.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it's good.
9.5 from Kim is a 12.5 from most people.
Yeah, it's good.